Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 3rd July 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened gap up and traded mostly sideways with a negative bias but eventually closed in the green. The NSE index closed at 24,270.85, up 95.15 points or 0.39% from yesterday's close. The retreat from highs seen today was due to profit booking at higher levels, strong technical resistance near 24,385 and uptick seen in crude prices. The sectors traded mixed to positive with realty, healthcare and IT being the top performers. PSU banks saw another correction today while media and auto joined in as today's worst performing sectors. The volatility index dipped again and is back to pre-Iran war levels. After the gains seen today, levels need to be moved up with supports now being at 24,265 followed by 24,130 while resistances will be at 24,385 followed by 24,480. For Monday, unless there are external cues, we may witness some more profit booking, which may lead the index downwards. However, if external cues such as momentum from the Asian markets as well as muted crude prices support, we may witness a continuation of the current uptrend. For updated levels and expectations, do check out our pre-market report on Monday morning. The NSE index may be expected to be more bullish above 24,480, while bearish sentiment may dominate if 23,400 is breached on the downside. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex underperformed as compared to Nifty as it gained 0.34% or approximately 262 points to close at approximately 77,764. Levels for Sensex following today's gains need to be adjusted upwards with supports at 77,750 followed by 77,210, while resistances will be at 78,385 followed by 78,950. Sensex may witness bullish momentum above 78,385, while bearish momentum may be observed if 75,790 is breached on the downside. Now we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil has been trading sideways today but at higher levels as compared to yesterday. A recovery in demand has been observed for crude as consumption increased in most Asian countries, including India. Volatility at the energy counter has risen mildly as compared to yesterday. Minor adjustments need to be made to levels for crude oil with supports now being at 6,520 followed by 6,425, while resistances may be placed at 6,640 followed by 6,735. For today, despite some recovery, gains in crude oil will still be capped as of now due to concerns regarding global growth. Comparative peace in the Middle East, which has led to easing supply, is now being balanced by recovery seen in demand, so range-bound moves with a slight negative bias may be expected. The price action may be muted, however, given that the US markets are closed today in observance of their Independence Day. The commodity may be expected to be bullish if prices recover above 7,000, while bearishness may intensify if it breaks below 6,140. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. HCL Technologies shares rallied after the company secured a $1.14 billion deal from a Fortune Global 50 company. The large contract strengthens HCLTech's position in AI-led infrastructure and workplace transformation services while providing strong long-term revenue visibility. ICICI Bank is planning its first US dollar bond issue in nearly 9 years, with reports suggesting it could raise at least $500 million through a 5-year bond. The fundraising is expected to be carried out under the RBI's Forex swap window to strengthen the bank's foreign currency funding. ACME has signed a $1 billion long-term agreement with Japan's Mitsubishi Gas Chemical to supply 100,000 tons of green methanol annually from its Odisha plant. The partnership marks India's first RFNBO-compliant green marine fuel collaboration and is a major milestone for the country's green energy exports. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Use CPR for high probability trades in options trading. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Option Expiry Special Smart Money Strategies. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.